In this video, I'm going to teach you how to record your payments for payroll taxes to revenue. So the first thing we're going to do is set up a supplier for revenue. So if I click on purchases, suppliers, and there's two ways to do this. You can just have one revenue and you can report all your payments to revenue with the one supplier. I like to set up different ones so I can have a default nominal. So if I have to change my payee type to other, and then over here I'm going to default that my revenue payroll is going to be for paying my payroll taxes. What that means is I'd have another revenue for VAT. So I'd have revenue VAT and the default nominal would be VAT. I'd have revenue corporation tax and the default nominal would be corporation tax. So I like to do it that way. So let's look at how to record the actual payment. So we've got accounts and statement, and I'm just going to scroll on down and see where is my payment that I made to revenue. So there's one for VAT. That's not what I want. I feel like I've scrolled past the one for payroll. I did. So here's the one, revenue payroll tax. Now, FYI, revenue never have anything so clearly labeled. So they might sometimes, what you have to be careful of, they might sometimes take your VAT and payroll taxes together, and you need to put those as two separate items because they're two different nominals. So what I'm going to do here, I've set an alias, revenue payroll. I click on match, and here it is, payment on account or miscellaneous payment. I click on that, and you can see that it's defaulting to the nominal that I want, and all I need to put in is my payment type, which is EFT or direct debit, whichever, and click OK. And now I'll show you the old school way. If you're old school, you're using the manual bank rec, you set up revenue the very same way. So the key thing is that you've defaulted revenue in the default nominal to the payroll tax nominal on your balance sheet. So then we just go to accounts, miscellaneous payments, click on add revenue payroll, and you put in your details. So you have to put in the date. See why I like the other way? It's so much faster. This way I have to put in the date, I have to choose the bank account, I have to put in the amount. The other way is just so much faster. But that's how you would do it, and you just make sure your default nominal is accurate and fill out your details there and click OK.